Hey y'all, iRickSky here, and within this video I want to explain how to erase the DJI Mini 4 Pro microSD card, or how to format the DJI Mini 4 Pro microSD card. So what you're going to do, if you're connected to your drone, you've got your controller on, you've got your drone on, and within the DJI Fly app you click those three dots towards the top right, and then once you're there you go to Camera, which is the third option. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down until you get to Storage Location. You will see currently I have SD card, it's white. And what I want to do is click SD card. It's highlighted in white, and then to the top right you'll see in blue it says Format. Click Format. Now obviously before you do, make sure there's nothing on the card that you want to save, like videos, photos, etc. And then you'll select SD card and then Format. It's formatting. It may take a moment depending upon the size of your micro SD card. Boom. Now it says 118.9 gigabytes available, or gigabits available. So I mean, there's not much more to it than that. I mean, I'm not trying to make this fancier than it is, but that's how to erase the DJI Mini 4 Pro's SD card, or how to format the DJI Mini 4 Pro's SD card. It's funny, in the app it calls it SD card. In reality, of course, we know the card is a micro SD card, so it's a smaller SD. But that's how you do it. Hope this video helped. Be sure to subscribe, ring that bell, and if it made you feel really good, send me a super thanks if you want to. You can find that thanks button down below, and you can choose to send me a super thanks. Thanks in advance for your support, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain iRickSky here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/iRickSky. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.